I'm Brian from Disaster Aid, and I'm here to talk to you about daily maintenance of the SkyHydrant. This is important to make sure that the SkyHydrant has a long and effective life. Inside the SkyHydrant there are thousands of these little fibres that do the filtering, and every day they need to be cleaned. So here's how to do a daily clean. The SkyHydrant is running at the moment. Water's coming in at the bottom and going out at the top to the filtered water tank. So first thing is stop the SkyHydrant by closing tap T3 at the top and tap T1 at the bottom. The next thing to do is to loosen the head at the top of the SkyHydrant, and that is 3 full turns. 1, 2, 3. The next thing we want to do is we want to shake those fibres in the water that's inside the SkyHydrant, and we need to do that vigorously for at least a minute. So we'll start doing that now. And we want to do at least a half turn. So this is just shaking those fibres, letting the water that's inside get the dirt off them. So a minute sometimes seems like a long time, but it really needs to be done properly. So the next thing we need to do is to get the dirty water out of the SkyHydrant, drain it away. So to do that, we open the vent at the top and we open the drain at the bottom. And the water is now draining out, and we keep turning the handles to make sure we get as much dirt as possible off. And make sure all the water comes out of the SkyHydrant. So all the water is out now, so we can stop turning the handle. We now want to fill the SkyHydrant again with water. So we close the drain and we open the feed from the head tank, and the water's flowing in, flowing up. We can just still shake this a bit, and any dirt will get flushed out of this vent at the top. So that looks clean, so we'll turn that off and we'll tighten the handle here. And we're just doing that finger tight. I'm just using one finger to tighten the valve. And now we'll start the SkyHydrant running with opening this valve here, T3, and the SkyHydrant has been cleaned for the day. When you've cleaned the SkyHydrant, make sure you tick it off on a sheet so everyone knows that you've done it.